Hi guys, welcome to your video lecture for September 9th. It is Wednesday. We are all in line today, so we're all in the same boat. Today we are going to be completing a review for your test, which is going to be Thursday. So let's get started. I did want to point out though, because we have gotten the nice new cameras, we are going to be doing live Zoom today, every day. Actually, sorry, not just today, but every day that I have students in here. So Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. The link is right there. It will always be right there. It might change sometimes, but you'll find it right there. On Wednesdays, we have a Zoom. Our science scheduled time for 8th grade is 11 to 11:50. The Zoom link is right there. This week is going to be just a review, so if you want to review with us, if you have questions or concerns, if you just want to check in, join us for that Zoom today at 11 to 11:50. So as always, we'll go into our modules. We're going to find our review right here. It's a quizzes just like last time, so please complete the review quizzes. You'll go to the assignment link and complete the review game. Be sure your first and last name are on there. I'll not be able to track your progress or grade if you don't have those on there. Once you've completed a review, take a screenshot of your score with your name on it and submit the screenshot to this assignment. Here's how to do a screenshot. Go to the quizzes. It's going to look like this. You'll click start, you'll play the game, review. You can play it as many times as you want. You at least have to do it once so that I know you've reviewed for your test on Thursday. Okay, other things to know before the test. This test, you're going to have 3 essay questions that attempt to assess your knowledge. So that you are better prepared, I'm going to tell you the topics of these questions this time. Study up on these topics. 1. Mosquitoes as both parasites and vectors of diseases. Today we learned that the mosquito is a parasite because it uses the blood of humans to survive, but is also a vector of disease because it carries plasmodium in it. Plasmodium is actually parasitic to the mosquito, so the mosquito is both a host and a parasite. I would know that, be able to identify that and explain that. Bacteria, make sure that you know some examples of how they are both harmful and helpful to humans. Okay, so know some examples. Why are they harmful? Why are they helpful? And then lastly, explain how viruses are described as being on the edge of life. That's something that's important to know. I would study up on that. I highly suggest looking back in your notes and being able to fully explain and understand these topics. Because you can use your notebooks on the quiz, maybe write yourself a little bulleted list of how to explain these, right? Because you can use your notebooks. It's not cheating. All right. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you at the Zoom if you need help. Goodbye.